Vectors in physical sciences. We saw earlier a vector written in this way, P equals AB, but in physical sciences we denote in this way. This is an alternative way. Consider this plane, x-axis, y-axis, from 0. Let's consider a vector with length 1, so magnitude 1 up to 1, 0. This vector is denoted by I, and we write in this way, I equals 1, 0. And the unit vector means magnitude having 1 along y-axis, that we denote by j. So j is just 0, 1. So with this notation, the same vector P, position vector P or AB, this can be written as AI plus BJ. And with this, doing algebra will be much easier. Okay, so let's do some calculation over. If vector V is given 3i plus 4j and vector W is 4i minus 2j, find V plus W. So this will be just simple algebra now, because V is 3i plus 4j. We don't need parentheses because it's plus W is just 4i minus 2j. Now we'll do the algebra like our real algebra. So 3i is like 3x plus 4x. So 3i plus 4i, 7i, 4j minus 2j, just positive 2j. Now here 3v minus 4w, so this is scalar 3, and we have vector v, which is 3i plus 4j minus 4 scalar 4, w is 4i minus 2j. So we saw earlier we have to distribute this. That means 3 times 3, 9i plus 12j minus 16i. Here is negative, negative, positive. 4 times 2, 8j. Now we combine the like terms. 9i minus 16i is negative 7i. 12j plus 8j, that's 20j. Okay. These vectors could be written as 3i plus 4j, just 3, 4. 4i minus 2j, 4 comma negative 2. And we could have done the same thing, same algebra here. Next, magnitude of this type of vector. If P vector is given, let's say AI plus BJ, then its magnitude, this vector V, let me change this to V, magnitude of V is given by square root of A squared plus B squared. That's the definition. And a unit vector, that means magnitude 1, a unit vector in the direction of along V or in the direction of V is given by, we just multiply the vector V by 1 over its magnitude, 1 over vector magnitude V, or same as vector V divided by magnitude of itself. Was the examples videos that I have to get the idea on how to find these unit vector in the direction of V, and more examples like this. Final.